Just wanted to do a quick video of the new BONA Platinum abrasives. This right here is actually a crosscut section that we used Norton's Red Heat 36 grit. We actually cut it at a 45 and it actually left a bunch of stuff. So I'm not talking too bad about Red Heat. It's all I've been used since it came out. But it left kind of the worst patch. And I want to try and sand that off. It's waxy. It's got adhesives from, I think, a screen factory pretty much everywhere. And the gentleman who turned me on to this BONA stuff, I kind of follow his company around. It's actually some brothers, the Highlander brothers. And to us, or at least in the East Bay, they're kind of the local legends. So I pretty much buy what they buy or endorse. Let's see what this does. Cutting it straight. Remember, 36 grit Norton was what I cross cut with. I'm gonna hit this real quick with the Platinum and hopefully it takes it off. They are pricey, but I'm gonna trust the person who's endorsing it. Let's check it out. Sections I showed you with the Red Heat cut on a 45 were actually with a new belt just like this Platinum. And without getting too excited, you know, it is $20 a belt. And I'll go through just the rest of this small spot. 36 belts at 8, probably about almost a full one for an area that's about 130 square feet big. So that was our test drive with the BONA Platinum on an 8-inch Hummel. That's the label. I only use 50 grit, and they have one rougher. So I will have to say, the recommendation from the Highlanders, and this is Rise Above Florence saying, I live it. Thanks.